Good morning, welcome back to my vlog. It's been a minute. I've had a crazy few months. I'm going to explain that throughout the vlog and on my next one. I'm just going to do a short intro now, and I just wanted to show you a short clip of my New Year's Eve in Dubai because it was really fun. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, and let's get it. Got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my life right from the source, yeah. What's poppin', people? Back on the YouTube guide. It's been a long time, it's been a minute. Vanessa in the background. I'll tell you a bit more about her. We've got Solia and we are going to Thailand, we see. Thailand. He's never been to Thailand. I'm gonna YouTube this whole trip. It's been a long time, but we're back on it. When I get back from Thailand in about 2 weeks, I'm gonna vlog what my plans are and what I'm doing in Dubai. I've taken so long just because I've been settling in. Moving country is actually harder than you actually think. Getting there. This is where I'm living in a minute. It's pretty sick. But yeah, we're leaving. Let's go. Printed out documents, got the car sorted out. Here we go. Broski! How you doing, man? Nice to see you. You have a good New Year, yeah? Yeah. You excited for Thailand, brother? Oh, we're checked in. We are in the lounge. I go to the flight and board in about 40 minutes, and then away we go to Thailand. I posted a little story the other day. People were like, "Oh, I shouldn't be traveling." Blah blah blah. It's been 2 years now. We've been in this and to be honest, it is what it is. I'm not against it. I'm not for it. I'm just like, it is what it is. I'm just doing what I'm told. And at the end of the day, if I'm allowed to travel, I'm going to travel. But anyway, I'm going to Thailand for 2 weeks. I just thought, I've been in Dubai for 3 months now. I've enjoyed every single second of it, but I just thought Thailand's open. They've got some beautiful islands. I want to see some waterfalls and just kind of just chill out for like a week or two, because Dubai for me is very full on, lots of work. I've been to Thailand a lot as well before, and I've not been for a couple of years now. So I can't wait. Can't wait for the ping pong shows. If you know, you know. But listen, guys, I'm gonna switch off from this lounge. I'll get some footage of the flight, and I'll see you in Thailand, and I'll let you know how I got to Thailand, what I had to do, because it's a long procedure. But I'm gonna try and put that message out there and help you guys to show that you can do it. In the meantime, enjoy the vlog. Rolls Royce, baby, in hidden hills. Bags full of $100 bills. Talking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Life sweet, baby, on a G-Way. Whoa, what's good? I've arrived in Phuket, baby. Just waiting for Sol's bag now. I don't know who Sol is. I saw him earlier in the vlog. He's a mate I met in Dubai. He's heavily into the gym and we have a lot of things in common. I said to him, why don't you come to Thailand? Because I know a few people in Thailand as well. You see my friend Ryan Miro, very, very funny. Here we are. Probably gonna get like a little taxi now. It's the best thing about Thailand. It's very cheap. See you at the hotel. Getting it done, boys. It's actually an easy process. We literally landed like half an hour ago. The airport was dead. We sat down, had to show a bit of paperwork. You just need your PCR, your proof of hotel. I hate kids, by the way, so like vaccination, that's pretty much it. Then you have to just do your PCR test here. Now we're free to go anywhere in Phuket for a week. This is the confusion people are getting. People think you have to stay in the hotel for a week, but you don't. You just have to stay in Phuket. Quite excited. I'll see you when we see Ryan. What's that for, love? Ryan's getting his chlamydia test done.
I've had the massage on it. Make sure this negative for me, okay?
This guy. Ryan, introduce yourself. Who are you? What do you do?
Ryan fucking Mira. No, Max, don't worry.
He's tired, he's tired. So I've known Ryan for like 4 or 5 years. He works in the social media world. And yeah, he manages some pretty big people. And he's single and loves guys, so any guys here, hit him up. We're checked in the hotel. Hello.
What's good, boys?
We are going to Bangalore Road. So apparently if you get right here, you have to stay 10 days in the hotel, quarantining, which is fair enough. So I'll be wearing my face mask at all times.
Hello, darling!
Hello, darling! This is the famous Bangalore street. This is like the party street. And this place is busy as hell. But they've got like one of the biggest nightclubs down there. David Wyatt and that, I've played there before. Sawadika! Roll all your little knockoff shots, Gucci bags. This will look nice in my apartment actually. How much for the North Face? 900. So that's 900 baht. That's like just under £20. I mean, it's obviously fake. 900 baht is quite expensive as well. Like they get it cheaper. It's very chill, but I like it. I came here to chill. Dubai, it's been a crazy few months settling in, starting my company, starting my business, which I'm gonna go in more detail on my next vlog. But this vlog is just a life update and I wanna show you guys how I got into Thailand. There's a lot of misunderstanding on how to actually get here. It's easier than you think. Whoa! Going back to the road! Thailand so far? 22. So I'm getting Wyatt a shot. Jaeger bomb's 180 baht, £3 for a shot. And this is quite a good bar in Bangalore.
Ring the bell, Max. No, don't, Max. You have to buy everyone a drink.
Really?
I swear. How much is fine for this?
What's your name? Is it your bar? Oh. Or manager?
Manager.
Are you single? This is why I love Thailand, because they love me. Ready? Are you ready? Oh! We're just walking down the street food market on Bangalore Road. It's not really for me. I've got a very sensitive stomach when it comes to food. But this is some of the stuff, look at this. Oh, these are so good. What is that made out of?
Ice cream roll.
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Never seen this before. So, Thailand in a nutshell so far.
Absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal.
Honestly, I love Thailand. The energies are so good. Good people, good vibes. Oh, good morning, Thailand. Sawadee ka. I'm gonna go to the gym today. Fitness Hero. I was meant to go yesterday, but the flight was at 3 AM. I was very tired. Wanted to see what Thailand was about on the first day. Fitness Hero in Patong. Patong is a very touristy area, but it's Seoul's first time. Got to experience it, and I thought it'd be nice to see. Also, it's close to PP Islands, which we're going to go in a couple of days. So stay tuned on my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, so you can actually see that and see what I get up to. And we're going to go to the monkey forest with a couple of mates. Thailand, what a vibe. I'm going to rent a bike now, a little moped. Yeah, I've got to be careful on them. I did actually fall off them like 2 years ago and slid on the floor. I pressed the front brake too much. But we're still alive. Very lucky. So we're going to go to the gym now. Let's get it.
Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. Give me back Saturday, huh?
So we're just waiting for our motorbikes. Of course, we've all got Thai driving licenses.
What are you saying, guys? I'm at Fitness Hero Phuket. I came here 3 years ago and I'm back. It is a sick gym, good people. I've just met some Americans. I'm gonna do chest and a bit of shoulders today before the monkey forest. I've got my BCAs and creatine. Feel amazing. I've just had my OxyShred, thermogenic fat burn if you didn't know already. And you can grab yours, ehp.com, use code MAX10 for a discount. What are you saying, Solly? You pumped or what? I think he's still tired, bro. This guy, let's get it.
Used to sleep on the floor with a kill check. Got a bag I can't bag yet because it's still wet. Reaper man, I pay him a visit, ain't paid his bills yet. Brain hemorrhage, blunt force trauma, I make him feel that. I rap and seal that. Send out the bricks that had the Nike swoop stamps. I'm just doing it for the camp. Showed him to the plug, now he's shopping behind my back. One thing about that karma, she coming back. If you trapping, keep a strap close. Nowadays, this became a trend and snake your homies out cause everybody back dope.
Had a protein shake, got some food takeaway. We're gonna go see some monkeys. Looking very beautiful there, Ryan.
Just finished a 5-hour way home to the gym.
On the track to get some abs in it, bro. Mr. Olympia, what are you saying? So we're at the bottom of Monkey Hill. It literally searched on Google Monkey Hill Phuket and it'll take you right there. I would advise just to get a little scooter and you park there and just walk up here. Oh shit!
Whoa, there's one there getting up the roof. Whoa, whoa.
Always put the monkey food in your bag, otherwise they'll chase you. So that's Monkey Forest ticked off for this trip. They actually are very scary. You gotta be very careful of them. What a day. Monkey Forest, top fucking sick. And now we're with Melissa. What do you say, Melissa?
Hi.
From Malaysia?
Yeah.
Introduce yourself, what do you do? Oh, she's shy. We met through Instagram and we're gonna have a limoncello. I said I wasn't gonna drink, but it's only a limoncello. Ryan, you got yours? It's a good while from now. We're at Video Lounge now. We're gonna have an early night again, and tomorrow I'll keep you updated. But in the meantime, enjoy the vlog. See you soon. What he's saying, so we've woke up pretty late today because we've been training every day, a little bit jet lag. Went to a little party last night. Didn't drink, just pure good vibes. Thailand again is really good. So I just did my friend's hotel. So basically, the hotels when you stay, you have to stay in a sandbox. So a sandbox is basically risky, man. Not too sure full into detail what it's about, but basically you have to book a sandbox for a week, but then you can go around in Phuket. But this is one of the hotels. It's like 5 minutes from where I'm staying. So yeah, I'm actually going to end this vlog here. I'm going to get the drone up now so you can see bird's eye view of Thailand and what it's like on sunset. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you on the next vlog. The next vlog is just going to be me wrapping up Thailand, so stay tuned, and then we're off to Dubai, and I'm going to let you know what I'm getting up to in life. It's got some interesting.
Just got back from Italy. Don't give a fuck if y'all sick of me, y'all can't get rid of me. Y'all can't get rid of me. Deal with it. Making a mini me, that ain't gon' work. Are y'all kidding me? Y'all kidding? Shit. I got some blood in my mouth, but y'all did not finish me. Y'all tried. I'm here to stay.